What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, and we are now going to get into this little CTOS area here, just so we can gain access of the wards. That is currently where we are, and currently going to be having fun with, I think. Oh, just a crisp, just Santa Claus, buddy. Yeah, that's it. This is no good whatsoever. What are we looking at? Two guys. What are we looking at? 1, 2, 3, 4 guys. Hidden camera. Survive the gunshot to the head. Damn. So we got 2 guys that can call 3 guys that can call reinforcements in. Give me that guy. The door I need is right there, but there is really nothing I can do from over here. I picked a horrible spot. So what we're gonna do is give me this nice little camera. Oh, you're definitely not seeing anything. Uh-oh.
I saw movement. Moving to investigate.
Go! Don't come back till you find him.
Where is he?
Search there.
Holy crap! I need to kill this guy. What the hell's a goblin?
Saw him here!
Man, sit your ass down, fool. I already got the service codes, so we're gonna... I hate this part with a passion. So many videos.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, yeah, I definitely gotta take
Your every waking moment. Public has no idea.
that marijuana. Let's go to this camera. Check out this one. I know I'm getting distracted, but it's okay. That lady's smoking a cigarette. Some dude's sleeping. What do we have here? That's all we have left. Okay. I figured we were gonna find that next. Alrighty then. Oh man, that's crazy. That guy was like, no hands. That was pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Put your gun away, fool. I still can't get over the fact that that was crazy. Oh man. There's an item of interest? I want it! Good, and the money? I'll get it later. I want a point of interest. Point of interest is right around the block. La, 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 la. I'm sorry, but that was pretty funny. Alright, so the point of interest. And one of these. Aha! Look what I have. That's it? That's it? $680? Really? Wow, I wasted my time for $680. Wow. Alrighty then. Oh, cool garage, dude. That's awesome. Phone contains stolen files? Really, lady? I don't want to trick you out. There we go. Oh. Some more. Hey man, somebody was getting it in on this game, bruh. Oh my god, I still can't believe that happened.
Public officials have begun an inquiry into defective traffic lights blamed for numerous accidents. Police are advising drivers to exercise caution when driving through any intersections.
Alright, jury rigged. We're gonna rig jury. That's what I'm saying. Let's get it going.
Just so you know, you're off your grid heading to the dark.
Rossi Fremont. They had such big hopes for this place. All that did was bring the gangs together under one roof. Loyalty to your neighborhood just became loyalty to your housing block.
What about everybody else?
They got in line, or they got out. I'm gonna take a look around, try and figure out what they've been up to.
I really don't like this. This is a big area with a lot of guys with guns. Who's in the bank? You in the bank? You in the bank?
Damien's IP points somewhere in there. These guys are running a place like a fortress, never breaking alone. Okay, I'll tap into their network, and we can get a look inside.
I don't like where I came to.
Hey, Grid! What? Saw JJ out with the girl last night, man. What, this JJ? Yup. Motherfucker, I'm about to have some words with this bitch ass.
Alright. That accuracy though. Full on stealth mission, yo. This guy's definitely one here. I hear another sniper. See his laser. Where the hell is he? That's how you do it, man. Stealth mission like a boss.
What does it look like?
Viceroy has disabled the CTOS around Rossi Fremont. He got it completely rerouted. It's not just the CTOS that's offline. This whole area. These people. Feels like the aftermath of a war zone.
That explains why Blue hasn't fixed it.
Bloom has the money to deal with this. Doesn't add up.
Alright, so I see the sniper. He's up there. There's two of them up there. And then we got one guy. Prescribed antidepressants. If I can make it all the way around like a boss. My only problem is now, these two. Because they will be able to see everything now. The other guy, there it is. Okay, they're on each opposite sides. But it's still so far. I don't know if they have a sniper on their side.
What if the dude
Hey, someone's there. You better fucking come out.
Man, I ain't gotta do shit. I'll pop you in the head just like your boyfriend. Really?
Almost there. I'm thinking Chicago is seriously underestimating the viceroys. These guys know what they're doing.
So things just get more complicated.
Yeah. Now I'm worried about what we'll find inside.
Alright, stealth mission back. Where's my suppressor? Here we go. Shit. I need to fucking pop that dude in his head. Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna drop the hammer on this motherfucker.
Nah, you ain't gonna do shit. Sit your ass down.
Hey, you really gonna be coming here?
Where's your buddy at? Really, dog? The ATM? Do you really think the ATM is gonna save you?
Fuck, man, this ain't motherfucking.
Shit, oh fuck that. Alright, I'm gonna run. Alright, there's a guy coming. I don't know if he's coming this way. I don't like this at all.
Man, we looking like a bunch of bitches right now.
That was your boyfriend, now, dog. there, fool. What you shooting at? Thanks for the nice ride, bro. I'm out of here. I'm out of here, bitches. Gotta go. Bye. Have a great time. Have a great time with your dead homies.
Get away, baby! Who's gonna tell that rap?
I like the car, fellas. I like the rims. It looks gangster.
Yep, we are connected. You'll be able to speak into Roxy now.
Thank you for all of this. You really came through.
Hey, I can't resist a good adventure. So I guess we're done.
No. I'm just getting started. I need to get in there, find some answers, and get my sister back.
And once you get the answers, what then?
Then I find out who did this, and I make sure they answer for it. Every single person involved in Lena's death. You still there?
Yeah, I'm here. Okay, I'll see you soon.
Bam, and that completes the funness of this game. Just kidding, it's not over yet. We have a long way to go. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see y'all in the next mission. All right.